That one is Swirly Shirley.
Swirly Shirley. Baby's magical toy box.
Hey guys, look at all these yummy treats we have. We're opening up these super cool wild cakes today. So we can't wait to open up these wild cakes, and we've already opened up one before, haven't we? So Sophia, which one do you want to open up first?
The cookie.
One then. Is it a cookie?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Right, let's have a look then.
Let's see who it is. It's like a pink. It's a pink.
Oh wow, so who have you got there? So Sophia just opened up this lovely little creature, and this one is called Cream Puff Patty. Look how cute she is. And she smells really yummy as well. And here she is now when we convert her back to being, well, I think she's a pastry, she's not a cookie, is she? But it looks yummy.
It looks delicious and crunchy.
Does it?
Yes.
Smell it. Have a sniff.
Yummy. It's delicious.
What does it smell of?
It's
like strawberries or cream or something. Yum yum.
Cream.
There we are.
And then one. Let's put them both.
So do you know, this one you've opened up before, haven't you? So should we do it again? So this one, let's have a look which one this one is first. That one is Swirly Shirley.
Swirly Shirley. I just like
push, 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 push.
I like the one we just opened. I opened first.
And there she is. How clever is that? So you get a cake and you get a little cute teddy.
It changes to it.
And they've all got lovely sparkly eyes left. So we've changed that one back now like you wanted. So which one are you opening up next?
Next one.
Oh, that nice yummy cake. That. Opening. There we are. So you open that one and see who's inside.
I know who's inside.
Do you?
Yeah,
Who is
because
it?
it's this one.
Let's have a look. Sweet berry fin, is it? Is it that one?
I think it is.
Looks like it. Look at all those cool ones you can collect.
Yes, there are lots of lovely ones.
No, you've got lots now as well, haven't
I
you?
can't wait to see which one's inside.
There we are, you open it.
Okay. Here it is.
Oh wow, look at that. What does that one smell of?
It smells like a cake or something else.
Does it?
Yeah.
Mmm, delicious. There we are, shall we see who's inside that one?
Yes, there's like a black tail inside it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't it so cute, Mummy?
Yeah. So this is what Sophia just opened up. And look at those cute little eyes. And this one's called Sweet Berry Fin. There we are, so that one's back like a cake now. Which one do you want to open next, Sophia?
This one.
Oh.
It's like another cake.
It is, yeah. It's the same, but it looks like chocolate cake.
Well,
Oh, wow.
look at this lovely chocolate cake. Let's see who's inside.
Does it smell like chocolate?
Yes, it's a chocolate cake.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, this lovely.
Ooh. Oh, look at that cute little face. So this is the next one that Sophia's just opened up. And this one is called Shortcake Sherman. Ooh.
Ooh.
But you want to convert this back to a cake now, do you?
Yep.
Because you like it being a cake.
Yeah, because it only needs to stay by a cake.
We all love cakes though, don't we?
Yeah.
Because they're yummy, yummy.
My tummy.
Ready? Let's push that back in.
I like those
Da-da-da.
cakes. I like those lovely cakes.
I know, they look, I wish we could eat them. They look really yummy, don't they?
But I can't eat them. They're teddy bears.
They are, yeah. So they're the same look, just different colours. Okay, so which one do you want to open up next?
Now this one.
Oh, we've only got one left, have we?
Yeah.
Here we are then, let's open up our last one. See who we got.
Yummy.
So who's this one? Let's have a look.
It's like raspberry pie.
Oh, I think I know which one it is.
Which one?
Berry Brownie Brandy. Which is this one there.
She is like this colour grey.
Mm.
Oh, she's a mouse. See? It's really a mouse.
Mm. And there she is. Oh, she's really cute. I like this one. And she does actually smell of berries, doesn't she? She smells
Yes.
delicious. There we
I
are.
love berries.
Yeah, me too. So should we turn her back now to a cake?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Okay. Ready?
She's red. This red. Ooh.
Oh, wow. Look. Tuck her all in. Tuck her tail in.
I love that cake.
Yeah.
I-
There we are. So we've opened up all our yummy wild cakes. And which one was your favourite, Sophia? Do you remember?
It was this one, I think.
We hope you've enjoyed watching our video. Give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you soon. Bye. There we are. Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.